Hi, I'm Julia the Mirror Beauty, and today we have a quick and simple colorful makeup idea and tutorial because let's face it, we all love a rainbow full glam look, but it takes time to do and you might not have this time every day, right? I certainly don't. And if you recall it, I made a poll in my community tab and 61% of you, at least at the moment when I'm filming this video, answered that they would like to add color and creativity to their everyday makeup, which is exactly what we're going to do in this video. As you can see, I have kind of a color story going on with this dress, which inspired today's look. Obviously, you don't have to match your makeup to your clothes, I just like doing that, so let me show you today's idea. We will be going for blues, pinks, oranges, and a little bit of green. So to keep it quick and really simple, I'm using an eye primer. This one is by Smashbox. I will have all the products that I use listed in the description box. And I'm just kind of putting a little bit of primer on each finger and then putting the primer on each eyelid. Let this sit for about a minute, and in the meantime, wash your hand. Now, for the sake of being quick, I'm going to use this big eyeshadow brush and a pink eyeshadow all over my eyelid. I'm not too worried about this part around the lashes because I will put eyeliner on there. And the second eye. I wipe the brush off a tissue with the same brush. I'm grabbing a little bit of orange eyeshadow and I'm blending the pink with the orange right here. Just in a couple of quick movements. And I will stop right here with the eyeshadow. My eyeshadow look is ready. Now I'm going to add more color with my eyeliner because eyeliner is a step that you probably are doing in your makeup routine anyway, so why not make it colorful? To complete the color story, I'm going to use two blue eyeliners and a green one, but honestly, if you don't have two blue eyeliners, one is perfectly fine as well. First, with the darkest blue eyeliner, I'm drawing my wing. I'm filling in this tail with the same dark blue eyeliner. If you're only using one blue eyeliner, just drag it a little bit further, maybe up to here. If you're also using two liners, then take the lighter blue eyeliner and continue this line so that about 2/3 of your eyelid is covered. Now going for the green and filling in the rest of the eyelid. I also have a super detailed tutorial on how to do an ombre eyeliner perfectly, linked in description. Now let's just add a blue mascara. I love using color mascaras because you use mascara anyway, and instead of being just black, it adds more color to your look without adding time to your makeup routine. For a more dramatic effect, you can also add some color to your waterline. And just like that, the eye makeup is ready. Now let's talk about the lips. If you are out of time already, just do an all-over lip color, one of the colors that you used on your eyes, pink, orange, blue, or green, and it will go together just perfectly. If you have some more time, I will show you how to do an ombre lip of two colors. I think the best color combo will be a bright blue and a bright pink. Another good one would be a dark blue and an orange. And first, with the blue one, you do the outer part of your ombre. Don't forget the corners. The technique is the same as in the green ombre lipstick tutorial that I posted just recently. Now fill the angles with blue and blend the inner border. And now the pink. This pink lipstick blends very easily, but on the flip side, it needs 2 layers for absolute opacity. That's the colorful look. I think it was really quick and easy to do, and if you use an all-over lipstick color, that will be even faster. Let me know if you like this type of videos, if you'd like me to make more, maybe with different color combos, because if you watch my Instagram stories, for example, you know I have a ton of colorful makeup ideas. I wear colorful makeup pretty much daily. And another example would be this green ombre lips tutorial. See you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!